5 superfood smoothies to boost your immune system. Hey there, Marvelous Squad. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Marvelous Ways. Today we're diving into a topic that's more important than ever: boosting our immune system. With everything going on in the world, it's crucial to keep our bodies strong and resilient. And what better way to do that than with some delicious superfood smoothies? But hey, I'm not just talking about any old smoothies here. Nope. We're talking about 5 supercharged, immune-boosting smoothies that are going to take your health game to the next level. Picture this: vibrant colors, incredible flavors, and a whole lot of goodness packed into every sip. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. So, grab your blender and get ready to whip up some magic. From berries bursting with antioxidants to tropical turmeric elixirs that'll transport you to paradise, we've got it all. Plus, I'll be sharing some insider tips and tricks to make sure you're getting the most out of every sip. But wait, there's more. Not only are these smoothies delicious, but they're also super easy to make. Yep, you heard me right. No fancy ingredients or complicated recipes here. Just simple, wholesome goodness that your body will thank you for. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and give your immune system the boost it deserves, then stick around. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these superfood smoothies. Let's get blending, shall we? Recipe 1. Berry Blast. Immune Booster. Our first superfood smoothie is the Berry Blast Immune Booster. Berries are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help fight off harmful pathogens and keep your immune system in top shape. To make this smoothie, simply blend together a cup of mixed berries, a banana for creaminess, a handful of spinach for added nutrients, and a splash of coconut water for hydration. It's a delicious way to start your day and give your immune system a kickstart. Recipe 2. Green Goddess Immunity Smoothie. Next up, we have the Green Goddess Immunity Smoothie. This vibrant green smoothie is packed with immune-boosting ingredients like spinach, kale, and avocado. These greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as folate and fiber, all of which support a healthy immune system. Simply blend together a handful of spinach and kale, half an avocado, a frozen banana, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a splash of almond milk for creaminess. This smoothie is not only nourishing but also incredibly refreshing. Recipe 3. Tropical Turmeric. Immune Elixir. Now, let's spice things up with our Tropical Turmeric Immune Elixir. Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, thanks to its active compound, curcumin. To make this elixir, blend together a cup of pineapple chunks, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a knob of ginger for an extra immune boost, a splash of coconut milk, and a dash of black pepper to enhance the absorption of curcumin. It's like a tropical vacation for your taste buds and your immune system. Recipe 4. Citrus Sunshine. Immune Booster. Moving on to our Citrus Sunshine Immune Booster, because who doesn't love a burst of citrusy goodness? Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for immune function. To make this sunny smoothie, simply blend together the juice of 2 oranges, the juice of 1 lemon, a handful of frozen mango chunks, a tablespoon of honey for sweetness, and a splash of water or coconut water. It's like a ray of sunshine in a glass. Recipe 5. Super Seed Immunity Smoothie. Last but certainly not least, we have our Super Seed Immunity Smoothie. Seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which support a healthy immune system. To make this smoothie, blend together a tablespoon each of chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds, a handful of spinach, a ripe banana, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, and a splash of almond milk. It's a supercharged smoothie that will keep you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. And there you have it: 5 delicious and nutritious superfood smoothie recipes to give your immune system the boost it needs. Whether you're starting your day off right or fueling up after a workout, these smoothies are sure to keep you feeling strong and healthy. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get you started. Experiment with different ingredients and find your own favorite immune-boosting smoothie combinations. And don't forget, a healthy lifestyle with plenty of sleep, exercise, and stress management is key to keeping your immune system strong. Wait, before you click off this video, know why you need the 5 superfoods to boost your immune system. Ever feel like your body's throwing in the towel against the constant barrage of germs and sniffles? We all have. But ditch the surrender flags and grab your blender instead. Why? Because you can whip up delicious superfood smoothies packed with immune-boosting ingredients that not only taste amazing but also fight off those nasties from within. Think of them as a superhero squad for your insides. But the benefits go beyond just warding off the occasional cold. Here's why giving your immune system a boost is truly a win-win for your health. Become an illness-fighting machine. Imagine having a well-trained army ready to battle invaders anytime. A strong immune system is your body's natural defense, protecting you from viruses, bacteria, and other unwelcome guests. This translates to fewer sick days, less misery, and more time living life to the fullest. Bounce back like a champ. Even superheroes get sick sometimes, but with a robust immune system, you'll recover faster. It's like having a team of speedy medics on standby, mobilizing resources quickly to minimize the duration and severity of illness. Say goodbye to feeling wiped out for weeks, and hello to getting back on your feet in no time. Reduce your risk of chronic threats. Feeling sluggish? It might be your immune system working overtime battling inflammation, which is linked to chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. By keeping inflammation in check, you're not just feeling better today, but potentially reducing your risk of developing these long-term health concerns down the line. Energy surge. Anyone? When your immune system is busy fighting off invaders, it can leave you feeling drained. But a strong immune system works efficiently, using less energy to stay on top of threats. This translates to more energy for you to seize the day, chase your dreams, and conquer that to-do list with a spring in your step. Holistic health hero. Your immune system is like a conductor, coordinating various bodily functions for optimal health. It's connected to your gut health, mental well-being, and even your skin's glow. So, by boosting your immune system, you're not just giving it a pat on the back, you're investing in your overall well-being in a holistic way. So blend up some deliciousness, boost your defenses, and stay healthy, marvelous fam. Before we bring this video to an end, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas. Share your favorite smoothie creations in the comments below. Check out our other videos for more tips on healthy living.